Hi, I'm Hal. I'm president of Woodtone Specialties, located in Armstrong, British Columbia. We're a forest products company. Specifically, we are a secondary forest products company. Secondary forest product companies are value-add companies. We buy lumber from sawmills and we manufacture engineered wood products out of that lumber. Woodtone Specialties is part of the Woodtone Group. The Woodtone Group is primarily a pre-finishing, coating, branding, logistics company based out of Chilliwack, BC. They have additional operations in Everett, Washington. The business strategy here at Woodtone Specialties is essentially to utilize raw material fiber that is available to us here in British Columbia and create engineered product market solutions, essentially products that customers want to buy. One of the ways we create market solutions is leveraging our unique capabilities here at Woodtone Specialties. Woodtone Specialties is an engineered wood products producer. Engineered means typically finger joining and laminating as opposed to making products out of simply solid wood. In a lot of cases, the products that we manufacture that are engineered are also exempt of softwood lumber duties in the US.
First of all, from a supply standpoint, our products are made from lumber that comes from second growth trees from the province of British Columbia. We are not dependent on old growth. They're good looking, aesthetically pleasing products, so it adds value to their homes and buildings. And thirdly, our products also help to save in labor costs, being efficient and easy to install on the building site.
One of our unique advantages here is our people and our culture. We've grown the culture of this business together, and as such, everybody here has buy-in and a lot of skin in the game. The people here not only care about what they do, but they care about each other and they have each other's backs. One of our main focuses here at Woodtone Specialties is on training and people development. We have close to 200 people employed here at Woodtone Specialties between hourly and salaried staff, and put close to $1 million a month in wages and salaries into this rural community. We have a very diverse workforce here at Woodtone Specialties, and in fact are 30 to 40% females in our plant compared with an industry standard of about 17%.
So I've been here about 2.5 years now. I started as a production laborer, moved into a grader role, moved into a lead hand role, came back as QC supervisor, and I am production supervisor now. We have so many different people here from all around the community, and it just makes the whole environment really awesome. I've grown a lot as a person becoming a supervisor, and I've learned a lot of different things, and it's just a really good environment to work in.
The long-term prospects for our business look very positive. We're sitting in one of the best fiber baskets in the world. We have a strong, engaged workforce, and we have high demand for our product. There's a housing shortage in North America, and demand for building products is expected to be very strong despite variations in the market. Additionally, in British Columbia, there's a strong government and social push towards transferring the fiber resource over to First Nation, as well as an emphasis on value add in British Columbia, essentially doing more with less. We are extremely well positioned in this regard as we have entered into an agreement with the First Nations group to build a manufacturing facility on their reservation that will feed into this plant. We feel that this direction is an extremely strategic move for us and will provide fiber security as well as additional labor security for us moving forward. Our focus at Woodtone Specialties is to continue developing our long-term sustainability and to continue to grow the business. Being part of the Woodtone Group helps us a lot in this regard, as the Woodtone Group is very, very strong in branding, marketing, and pull-through marketing. We want to continue to develop new products, exciting new engineered products, and exciting new engineered product solutions. We feel our future is very, very bright and are looking forward to continuing to grow this business.